Hello, my name is Michelle Washington, and I am the instructional coordinator for the Austin Community College Fashion Incubator. And we are proud to announce another new Workforce Development Series class. This class is called Technical Design, and we are offering it with Gerber Technology Unique PLM software. Now, a lot of people ask, why is technical design so important? Well, technical design is the center of the apparel industry. This will help a lot of fashion designers who are looking to add more technical aspects to how to execute a quality garment. This will also help those who are just interested or who are already involved as a technical designer and upskill your performance as well as learn highlights and new aspects of the Gerber Technology unique PLM software. Now, for those of you who don't know, a technical designer works in the fashion industry to help take a garment from concept to shelf. They work as a liaison between design and production, and they are essentially the engineers of fashion. What will you learn? Technical design terms and abbreviations, technical design package creation, quality specifications, and this is very important to the fit of any great fashion garment, sizing and fit. If you've ever worked with fit models, you know how important the anatomy measurements are as well as the apparel measurements. You'll also learn how to integrate unique PLM in the technical packages, as well as correct fit communications for a great fit. With the technical design program, this class has great benefits. Benefits for the learner and for companies. For the learner, there's industry technology efficiency. You learn from current industry professionals, and you learn how to prepare for possible positions such as an assistant technical designer or an assistant fashion designer, for example. You'll have industry training, and you'll learn real world problem solving capabilities with case studies, as well as industry upskilling. And for companies, employees with real world skills, you'll have a chance to be able to develop at each stage. Also, there's team members capable of contributing new and valuable innovations, workforce with higher levels of productivity, improved organizational structure, as well as employees with effective preliminary experience. What will you accomplish as a learner? Well, you'll have proof of your skills as you develop through the class and the program. You'll learn Gerber Technology Unique PLM and how to use that in your technical design packages. You'll learn to create and identify POMs, and that's your point of measure. You'll learn to create and generate completed technical design packages, as well as learning basic ISO stitch type codes and learn basic ISO seam type codes. Here in the Unique PLM program, you can see a flat sketch. You'll learn how to import and export vector drawings showing the front and back of your garments and how to make edits to this so that you can have the garment that you desire. You'll also have a chance to make edits to your specifications page. You'll be able to learn more about how to be detailed with your points of measure. And as you can see, we have areas as in any technical design package for tolerances. You'll be able to edit and make adjustments. And you'll learn about how to make good descriptions for your POMs, as well as how to make your measurements along the tolerance and the guidelines towards a better grading. A lot of our students, when they're learning unique PLM, they see all the many important layers of why this system is so essential to good technical design package work. And finally, when you get to the generation of your technical package, you can see that there are multiple pages for your package. You can select them all, as you see with the green check marks, or you can specifically select the pages that you think are essential to your final package, whether it's from the text image, the measurements, or the bill of materials. And for that final generated package, which takes you to the report folder preview, you're able to preview everything about the generated package so that you can decide if you have made all the adjustments correctly or if you want to begin again or make certain edits before you call this package complete. Now, we're excited to have you take this technical design class. And if there's more information that we can give you and you'd like to ask us some questions, just feel free to email us at fashion.incubator@austincc.edu and also continue to follow our website and our social media.